Choosing meaningful digital content for toddlers can be a tricky task for caregivers. Splash Junior. Toddler learning aims to combine fun with foundational skill building through a variety of interactive games tailored to very young learners. The app's bright colors and simple tap-based activities invite curiosity while teaching early concepts like shapes, colors, and numbers. Its clean layout supports easy navigation, helping little users engage independently without frustration. Some features might feel limited for those seeking more diverse challenges as toddlers grow, yet the app retains a focus on early developmental milestones. Splash Junior. Toddler learning presents a gentle introduction to digital learning, blending play with education effectively. Adult involvement is recommended to ensure balanced screen time and maximize benefits. Families interested in early learning may find this app appealing.